Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Journey. Easy steps, great English.
Welcome to my Easy English Journey. Today, let's listen to a wonderful story about kindness. This is the story of the lion and the mouse. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, a mighty lion was sleeping. He was very tired and wanted to rest. A little mouse was playing nearby. The mouse did not see the lion. By mistake, he ran right over the lion's big nose. Suddenly, the lion woke up. He was very angry. He caught the little mouse with his huge paw. The lion opened his big mouth to eat him.
Roar! How dare you wake me up? I will eat you!
The little mouse was very scared. He cried,
Please, Mr. Lion, please do not eat me. If you let me go, maybe one day I can help you.
The lion laughed loudly.
Ha ha ha! You? Help me! You are so small, and I am the king of the forest. How can you help me?
But the lion was not hungry, so he let the mouse go,
Thank you, Mr. Lion.
said the mouse, and he ran away happily. Suddenly, snap! A hunter's net fell on him.
He roared loudly. Help! Help me!
The lion was trapped. He tried to break the net, but the ropes were too strong. The little mouse heard the lion's roar. He ran to the lion as fast as he could,
Don't worry, Mr. Lion, I will help you.
said the mouse. The mouse used his sharp little teeth to chew the ropes. Gnaw, gnaw, gnaw. Finally, he cut the net, and the lion was free. The lion was very happy. He looked at the mouse and said,
Thank you, little mouse. You were right. Even little friends can be great friends.
We've just finished the story, and now it's time for the review part of today's video. Let's go over the key vocabulary and useful sentence patterns together and practice saying them out loud. Forest. Forest. Lion. Lion. Mouse. Mouse. Wake up. Wake up. Angry. Angry. Scared. Scared. Help. Help. Net. Net. Rope. Rope. Free. Free. Useful sentences. Once upon a time. Once upon a time, a lion was sleeping in the forest. Please don't eat me. If you let me go, maybe I can help you one day. Don't worry, I will. Don't worry, I will help you. He tried to break the net, but the ropes were too strong.
Thank you for listening. Did you like this story? Please like and subscribe to my Easy English Journey for more easy stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.